we are cooking with
Noah, donut.
What are you gonna cook?
Eggs.
Eggs? What kind of eggs are you gonna cook?
Yellow egg. No, white. White.
They turn yellow when you scramble them, right?
Yeah. One egg. Two eggs. Four eggs. Really, donut is 3 eggs.
Good job, teach your brother.
4 eggs. 5 eggs.
5 eggs, good job. Now what are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna cook the other one.
Yeah?
The first one. So can I
You're
do it?
gonna cook them all at the same time, so you gotta, one by one, you gotta crack them,
I'll
okay?
do this one and this one.
Okay, go ahead. One at a time, one at a time. Okay, Noni, let's crack the egg.
I want to do it here.
Okay, go ahead. It's not hard enough, so you gotta do it on the kitchen surface.
How do we do it?
Good job. Now split it in half.
Split it in half. Okay. I can split it in half. Let's keep doing it.
Break it in half, don't be scared. There you go. Good job.
Okay, now.
You put the garbage back in the carton.
Okay.
Good job.
Next, this one.
Good job, Noah.
Oh, no!
Good job.
You need to
With
split
your
it in
hand.
half. How does that one live?
Egg number 5.
Egg number 5. Egg number 3 place. Oh no.
Okay, it's good enough.
Okay, almost good, Noah. Noah, almost good. Almost good, Noah. Noah, you can do it. Noah.
That's it, Noni. Ah,
Noah.
good job.
Now let's
Where do you put the garbage?
here. Okay, now we need. It's okay, guys. I can get through.
Noah, how many eggs do you have?
None.
None? That's not true.
I have none in this bowl.
How many eggs are in the bowl?
5.
Good job. Just like the number 5, right?
It's like the number 5.
And what are you doing right now?
Cooking eggs.
You're stirring the
What are
egg?
you talking about? And then that, my egg. Stirring.
Good job. Okay, good job, everybody. Let's go to the stove.
Now for this part, I need help from my mom.
Okay, so we're gonna turn on the stove at a low heat. Hold on, honey, we need the oil. Now mom puts a little bit of oil so it won't burn. And now Noah adds the eggs. Woo! Good job. Okay, Noni's stirring the eggs, making sure he doesn't burn himself. I'm gonna help him. Good job, Noah.
What Kiki?
Okay, Noah, time for mom to transfer the eggs to the plate so you can eat them, okay? Okay, now slowly, only mom can do this, okay? And you need mom's permission.
Then we can eat these. Smells delicious.